Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be creating this ultra glittery glam Islamic Muslim Pakistani bridal makeup look with two different lip options. Also, I have used all affordable makeup products to create this makeup look. You can either choose the glossy nude lip if you recreate this exact same makeup look, or go with this bright bold red lipstick if that is your pick. But either ways, this makeup look looks amazing with both the lip colors. I know some people prefer bolder lipstick shades for bridal makeup looks especially, which would also look absolutely stunning. On my head, when I try to picture an Islamic Pakistani bride, this is what comes to my mind. If I were an Islamic bride, I would absolutely go all the way out, add lots and lots of glitter, full coverage base and glossy lips like this one, and of course big bold eyelashes. So this is the look that I came up with. If you want to know how I achieved this beautiful ultra glittery glam Islamic Muslim Pakistani bridal makeup look with all affordable products and lots of tips and tricks, then please do continue watching.
So I'm starting off with a cleansed face. I use my Dermavive Hydra Cleanser, which I absolutely love how it feels on the skin. It is very gentle, mild, and gets rid of the dirt and impurity beautifully away from the skin and keeps the pH level of the skin at the right spot. Then I'm taking the Dermavive Dry Conditions Moisturizer. I've been loving this particular moisturizer for the winters because my skin is feeling a little bit dry during the winter, so this hydrates and moisturizes my skin and also acts as a very beautiful pre-makeup base. Then it is also very important that you prep your lips properly. So I'm using the Plum Nature Studio Bubblegum Lip Balm here, which is very nourishing and hydrating on the lips. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using my most favorite eyebrow kit. This one is from PAC in a dark brown shade. So I picked up that really deep ashy toned dark brown color on an angled brush, comb my eyebrows through using the spoolie, and then starting to fill in my eyebrows and giving it a bolder kind of a look because I am going in for a glam look today. Then I'm gonna prep my eyelids for eyeshadows, for which I'm gonna take my Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Panna and apply it as a base for my eyeshadow, as well as clean under the bottom area of my eyebrows for that neat and sharp look. This concealer has a lot of coverage, so the eyeshadows will pop on top of this. Then for eyeshadow, first I'm taking the Swiss Beauty HD eyeshadow palette. This is completely matte and super pigmented, very easy to blend and extremely affordable eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this. So I'm picking up a warm brown matte eyeshadow on a big blending brush, first placing the color on the crease and then blending it out thoroughly up until the eyebrow region. Then I'm going to pick up this beautiful plum toned matte eyeshadow on a tapered brush, again placing it strategically on the crease, and then I'm going to take a different pencil brush and just going to try to blend out the edges alone because I want to retain that intensity and pigmentation on the crease. Then what I did was I took my concealer on a flat eyeshadow brush and just creating sort of a negative space on the eyelid area for the shimmer eyeshadow to come over the top of this. This way my eyeshadow will pop more on top of a concealer instead of an eyeshadow base. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. For the shimmer, I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Chilled Cannabis Sativa eyeshadow palette, which is basically like this green toned eyeshadow palette. So I took this beautiful green shimmer eyeshadow with a hint of gold reflex to it and just applying that on the top of the concealer base that I just laid down on my eyelids. And here you will see how much of that intensity and my eyeshadow is popping on the eyelids because of that base. Then I'm going to go in with the Swiss Beauty palette again and taking this beautiful deep emerald matte green eyeshadow on a pencil brush and just placing that where the sort of green eyeshadow ends on the outer corner. This is going to create a smooth gradient and transition between each eyeshadow color. Then I'm going to take this beautiful matte black eyeshadow from the same Swiss Beauty palette on a different pencil brush and placing it at the very outer V of my eyes to create that smoky depth to my eye makeup. Once I've placed the color, I'm taking another tapered blending brush just to smooth out and blend out the corners and edges of the black eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna place glitter on my eyelids. Before that, I'm gonna take my PAC Sparkly Distraction Glitter Primer and taking a tiny bit of it and just tapping it on the shimmer area on my eyelids. And then I'm gonna first take this beautiful shade of glitter from the Makeup Revolution palette, which is called Goddess. I'm using my fingers to press down the glitter on the eyelids so that they don't move. But this was looking a bit too dark and deep for my liking. So what I did was I took my Mars Cosmetics glitter eyeshadow palette. I don't have the clip of the palette here, unfortunately, so I inserted a picture. I took this top right green glitter eyeshadow and just popped that right on top of the previous glitter, and that was just the perfect kind of color that I was looking for this makeup look. And look how glittery and shimmery my eyes look. They look beautiful. To prime my skin, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Illuminating primer, which is such a beautiful product to add that soft luminous glow to your base makeup. Then I do have concerns regarding my pores and texture, so I took my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless primer and just pressing it gently all over my face to fill in all the pores instead of rubbing it, because I do want to retain that glow underneath my foundation. So it is best that I press down the primer to erase any pores and create a smooth canvas. Now to color correct my face, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Face Forward concealer stick in an orange variant and just placing that wherever I have my hyperpigmentation issues. Especially if you have medium to deep dusky skin tones, it is very important that you color correct your skin. And then I'm going to blend it out using my damp beauty blender. Make sure you blend it out, otherwise your base will look cakey. Before applying my foundation, I'm taking my Miss Claire Dewy Finish setting spray and just spraying that all over the face and letting it dry. And then for foundation, I'm using my Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. It's been a hot minute since I used the foundation, but it is such a beautiful foundation. It adds medium to full coverage upon building up. My shade is 13 Foxy Chestnut, which is like an exact match to my skin tone. So first I'm adding a soft layer all over the skin using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And this particular foundation creates that beautiful smooth effect all over the skin, perfect for bridal makeup looks and lasts throughout the day. Then wherever I want that coverage, I'm adding a little bit more, especially around the mouth area and the cheek area where I have pigmentation and scars. Again, I'm going to use my Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Panna to conceal and highlight my skin that is underneath my eyes, on the center of my face, on the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow and the chin. And also I'm going to apply a bit of cream contouring. So I'm taking my PAC Cosmetics Take Cover Concealer in the shade Hot Cocoa, which is a deep shade of concealer, and just placing that to define and sculpt my features. So basically applying that wherever I apply my contour, right? Then I'm going to start blending out the concealer. I'm taking my PAC 219 concealer blending brush and gently and slowly dabbing my brush all of these areas to blend everything seamlessly. Then I took this different tiny little buffing brush to blend out the cream contour in upward strokes, and this way. So I'm just having a moment here with my husband, please don't mind. And then I'm gonna switch over to a smaller little angled brush to blend out the contour on my nose and around the mouth area. Once that is done, I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender again, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines, and if there are any excessive product on my face, the sponge is gonna soak everything in and make it look extra more flawless. Before applying powder onto the skin, again I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, give my face a quick spray and let it dry. To set my face, first I'm taking my K-Beauty Matte Compact Powder in the shade 170Y, which is such a beautiful powder. So I'm just applying the powder all over my face except my under eyes. It adds that beautiful, flawless, evened out finish to your skin, kind of like a blurry effect. Then for loose powder, I'm taking the Colorbar Airbrush finish flawless loose powder. And before applying the powder, I'm taking my foundation brush and just removing any creases on the under eyes and then placing the powder underneath my eyes to bake. So this way you can prevent any creases and your under eye area will look absolutely smooth. For the waterline, I'm using this beautiful nude eyeliner from Rimmel. This is their Exaggerate Nude Eyeliner, and just applying that all over the waterline to make my eyes look more bigger. Then going in with my Swiss Beauty palette, taking that plum matte shade on a pencil brush and just applying that to my lower lash line. This is gonna add a beautiful gradient on the lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take an angled brush, dip into the matte black and just go very close to my lower lash line on the outer corners and sort of fade it out on the middle of my eyes, not taking it all the way towards the inner corner. So yeah, that's what I did. For eyeliner, I'm using this new launch from Colorbar. This is their liquid gel eyeliner in the shade Arabian Nights, which is such a beautiful eyeliner, very jet black, very extremely pigmented. It literally lives up to its claim. It's like a gel eyeliner in a liquid form. So I'm creating a nice bold winged eyeliner on both my eyes. The brush tip was also so good. It was very easy for me to create that precise line on both my eyes. For mascara, I'm using my most favorite affordable mascara. This is from Mars. This is their Fabulash mascara, which is so good, adds lots and lots of volume to your lashes. So I'm just applying that to my top and bottom eyelashes. It also separates your eyelashes beautifully. Now to set the cream contour in place, I'm taking the Dazzler Classic Compact Powder in the shade Contour, which is a very deep contouring shade, works on dusky complexion so well. So I'm just taking a tiny bit of it and basically just going over on top of the areas where I applied the cream contour, just to make it look more intensified and define my features further. For blusher, I'm using another absolute favorite product. This is the Colorbar Cheek Illusion Blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet, and I'm placing the blush in a different way. I am going over on the cheek, but I'm also taking it towards the temple, kind of in a sculpting way, lifting it up to give my face a beautiful definition and an all-over lift. This will make your face look extra sculpted and you would look absolutely beautiful. For highlighter, I'm using the Mars Cosmetics Fusion Highlighter in a gold shade. This is a very intense highlighter, so a little bit goes a long way. So I'm building the highlighter as I go on the tops of my cheekbones, also applying it on the temple area to add that beautiful soft glow. And I'm also placing the highlighter to the Cupid's bow, my chin, and switching to a smaller brush to apply the highlighter on the bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. I also applied these gorgeous and stunning eyelashes from Swiss Beauty. This is in the style Diego, and I use my Miss Claire Dark Tone eyelash glue to apply them. And oh my god, these are so affordable but so beautiful, so comfortable, and extremely drama kind of eyelashes, perfect for such kind of looks. I absolutely love this particular style of eyelash from Swiss Beauty. It goes with literally any kind of glam makeup look. Then moving on to the lips, I'm taking my Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Chocolate. This is in a very deep chocolatey brown shade. It will work on dusky complexion so well and it is so affordable. So I'm just going to use that to overdraw my lips further. This particular shade of lip liner goes with literally any kind of lipstick shade. So without a doubt, you can pick this up if you're on the dusky category of skin tones. For lipstick, I'm using my Sugar Cosmetics Wonder Woman Creamy matte lipstick in the shade Ballerina Belle. I also have a coupon code from Sugar, so you can use it on their website to get some offer. This is such a beautiful peachy nude shade, so I'm just applying that all over the lips. And for lip gloss, again, I'm using my Sugar Cosmetics Time to Shine lip gloss in like this beautiful peachy shade and just applying that all over the lips. I wanted a nude lipstick but not too nude. Just wanted to create that bit of a vibrancy to my nude to go with my jewelry and everything. So this color was perfect for this makeup look. So once I'm done with the look, again I'm gonna seal everything in place using the Miss Claire Dewy Finish setting spray. Again, this is such a beautiful setting spray. It locks your makeup in place and adds that beautiful long lasting sheen and glow to your skin. And here is the finished look with the nude lipstick. You can also skip the lip gloss part if you do not like lip glosses, but this is how the makeup looks with a nude lip color. For the red lipstick look, I'm doing the exact same thing first. So I'm taking my Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Chocolate to overdraw my lips first. Like I said, this particular lip liner goes with literally any lipstick shade. Particularly with red lipstick, a darker shade of lip liner looks absolutely stunning. So for the main lipstick, I'm using the Faces Canada Lip Crayon in the shade Put Me On, which is such a beautiful bright blue based red lipstick. It's a very comfortable formula as well, so I'm just applying that all over the lips, and this is how the makeup look looks with a bright bold red lipstick color. I think this is also an excellent lip color to go with green because they both are contrasting colors, so your makeup just pops. I am kind of indecisive between both the lip colors because both of them look beautiful in their own way. So yeah.
So that is the finished Islamic / Pakistani bridal makeup look. To be very honest, it doesn't look like I use all affordable products to create this ultra glam bridal makeup look. It looks absolutely gorgeous and flawless. So it doesn't matter how expensive of a product that you are using, you can kind of create the same result with affordable products too. It totally depends on your hand and your technique, and keep practicing to get that flawless finish to your makeup. If you recreate the same exact makeup look on your big day, you can of course go in for the nude lip look if that is your taste, or go with this bright bold red lipstick if that is your pick. But either ways, this makeup look looks amazing with both the lip colors. I know some people prefer bolder lipstick shades for bridal makeup looks especially. So that is the reason I wanted to show you guys two different lip options in this video. To me, this is the classic Muslim, Islamic, Pakistani kind of a bridal makeup look that comes to my head. All the products that I use in today's video will be listed in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this ultra glam bridal makeup look. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!